everyone, welcome to the Learning Hub. Today, let's celebrate India's 79th Independence Day with a simple and inspiring speech in English. If you are a student preparing for your school celebration, this speech is just for you. Let's begin. Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Hind. I am studying 6th class in SSOT school. Today, I am very happy to speak about India's 79th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became free from British rule. We remember and thank our brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Rani Lakshmi Bai. They sacrificed everything for our freedom. Today, India is growing fast. We are doing well in education, science, sports, technology, and space. We are proud to be Indians. Our dream is to build a developed India by 2047. We can help our country by studying well, keeping our surroundings clean, and respecting our elders and loving our nation. Let us promise today to be honest, kind, and responsible citizens. Together, we can make India stronger and brighter. I am proud to be an Indian. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Learning Hub. Thank you for watching.